Hello students. In last class we have discussed about mode of nutrition, and today we will discuss about type of nutrition. Nutrition is of two types. One is nutrition in plants and second one is nutrition in animals. We will discuss first nutrition in plants. First of all, what is nutrition in plant? Nutrition in plant called as, we can say, a process which is called as photosynthesis. Okay. So first of all, definition of photosynthesis. As we know, plants are autotrophic, and autotrophic organism can prepare their own food, and they can prepare their own food by a process which is called as photosynthesis. So photosynthesis defined as a process in which synthesis of organic compounds like glucose from simple inorganic compounds like CO2 and H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, called as photosynthesis. Now after definition of photosynthesis, next is equation of photosynthesis. It's a chemical equation of photosynthesis. Chemical equation of photosynthesis, in which 6 molecules of carbon dioxide reacts with 12 molecules of water, and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, product would be made. Glucose, formula of glucose is C6H12O6 plus 6 molecule of oxygen and 6 molecule of water. This is the chemical equation of photosynthesis. Now after chemical equation, next requirement of photosynthesis. And photosynthesis essentially require two things. And they are chlorophyll and sunlight. First is sunlight and second is chlorophyll. First we will discuss about first requirement of photosynthesis, and that is sunlight. As we know, sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living beings. And for photosynthesis process, sunlight is must. Without sunlight, photosynthesis process cannot be happen. So sunlight is must for photosynthesis process, and with the help of sunlight, plants can make their own food. And second requirement of photosynthesis process is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment which is present in a cell organelle which is called as chloroplast. It is a green pigment present in a cell organelle called as a chloroplast. They are found in green leaves in a maximum amount as well as in other green aerial part of plants. But in green leaves they are found in maximum amount. Chloroplast also called as green plastid. Chloroplast also called as green plastid. Because it is a part of plastid, and plastid having three parts: chloroplast, chromoplast and amyloplast. Okay, after requirement of photosynthesis, next is raw material of photosynthesis. And in raw material of photosynthesis, we will study about, first of all, carbon dioxide. Okay, terrestrial plants obtain carbon dioxide from atmosphere through the small opening present on leaves called as stomatas. So in terrestrial plants, carbon dioxide enters from small openings, and this small openings called as stomatas, and they are present on leaves. But in aquatic plants obtain CO2 dissolved in water through their general body surface. And they obtain dissolved CO2 which is dissolved in water. After CO2, next raw material of photosynthesis is water. And plants absorb water from the soil by the process of osmosis. And this water transported to leaves by the help of special tissues called as xylem. And special tissues are called as xylem. Xylems are plants' complex permanent tissues. Now after raw material, we have discussed two raw material, in which first is carbon dioxide and second is water. After raw material, let's start next topic, which is site of photosynthesis. And as we know, site of photosynthesis in plants is chloroplast. Now we will study structure of chloroplast. Chloroplast is a double membrane bounded cell organelle which is present only in plants but absent in animal cell. It is present only in plant cell, absent in animal cell. So first of all, We will draw a diagram of chloroplast. This is the membrane of chloroplast, and chloroplast is double membrane bounded organelle in which this one is outer membrane and this one is inner membrane. Now this red dot structure, which is widely spread in chloroplast, called as fluid of chloroplast, and this fluid called as matrix. And other name of matrix of chloroplast is stroma. Stroma have a special characteristic of photosynthesis. It's a site of dark reaction. Now this plate-like or disc-like structure which is embedded in stroma called as, collectively they all are called as grana. And grana is a site of light reaction. While stroma is the site of dark reaction. Grana made up of many disc-like structure and each disc named as thylakoid. And on the inner membrane of thylakoid, many quantosome is present and each quantosome having 230 molecules of chlorophyll. In stroma of chloroplast, many lipid globule and starch grains are also present. In chloroplast, a loop of DNA also present, so chloroplast called as semi-independent cell organelle. A loop of DNA also present, so that chloroplast called as semi-independent organelle. Except chloroplast, one more cell organelle having loop of DNA, and that is mitochondria. In stroma, dark reaction of photosynthesis is occurred, so stroma having enzymes for dark reaction. Now this is all about structure of chloroplast, and chloroplast is site of photosynthesis.